Can $100 really become $10,000 by 2026? Today, we reveal 10 AI-powered EdTech stocks under $5 that could transform your portfolio. Buckle up. This is your ticket to the AI EdTech revolution. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing education, and 2026 could be a breakout year for EdTech. We're spotlighting 10 penny stocks under $5 using AI to reshape learning, from virtual tutors to personalized courses. With just $100, you could own thousands of shares in these high-upside, high-risk companies. The EdTech market is projected to grow over 15% annually, fueled by AI innovations. These stocks can soar on new partnerships or viral platforms, but volatility is wild, so research is critical. Stick around for our 10 explosive picks and smart investing tips. Let's get started. First up, Nerdy Inc. NRDY, trading around $1.59. Nerdy's AI-driven platform matches students with ideal tutors, democratizing personalized learning. Covering 3,000+ topics, they serve everyone from K-12 to lifelong learners. Their scalable AI ecosystem means adding users and subjects is cost-effective. Q1 2025 revenue hit $47.6 million. Real business, real growth. School district contracts could be game changers, sending the stock soaring. Risks, fierce competition, and the challenge of reaching profitability. But with strong revenue and institutional partnerships, Nerdy could become an EdTech giant. For a few bucks, you're buying into a company changing how we learn. High risk, high potential. That's why Nerdy leads our list. Next, Duos Technologies Group, DOT. Trading near $2.50. Known for AI-powered big data analytics in transportation, they're now pivoting to EdTech. Their AI tools analyze student performance, offering real-time feedback and custom learning paths. With a tiny $30 million market cap, even modest EdTech success could send shares soaring. Their proven AI engine gives them a tech edge over competitors. The risk, early-stage EdTech efforts, and tough competition, but if they land a major contract, this could be a breakout stock. It's a speculative bet on a smart pivot. Watch for news of school or university partnerships. Duos is a classic high-risk, high-reward play. Education. Strong financials, clear strategy. Lantern Pharma, LTRN, trading at $3, is a biotech using AI for cancer drug discovery. Their RayDR platform is now being adapted for medical education. Think AI-powered virtual labs and diagnostic simulations. Partnerships with medical schools are creating a new revenue stream. With a $50 million market cap, the EdTech angle isn't priced in yet. Risks? Biotech focus means stock is tied to clinical results, but the EdTech division offers unique diversification. You get a free call option on disruptive medical education tech. 2-for-1 opportunity. Lantern is a speculative, innovative pick. YSA Technologies, WISA, trading at $2.67, is pivoting from home audio to EdTech. Their AI-enhanced wireless audio tech solves remote and hybrid classroom sound issues. AI features include speaker focus, noise cancellation, and device optimization. They're landing school contracts, signaling real demand. The high-fidelity audio market in education is new and untapped. Risks, slow adoption due to school budgets. But as hybrid learning grows, so does the need for clear communication. WeSay is a ground floor bet on the future of classroom audio. Watch this niche. Remark Holdings, Mark, under $1, is a true penny stock with explosive potential. Their AI-driven facial recognition tech is tackling online exam cheating. Real-time identity verification and behavior monitoring ensure academic integrity. Expansion into Asia, especially China, could be a game-changer. Massive demand for secure online education in the region. Risks, intense competition, and financial instability. But a foothold in Asia could make this a multi-bagger. High risk, high reward. Mark is a speculative play on secure EdTech. Innodata Inc., INADI, trading at $3, is the picks and shovels play of AI EdTech. They supply high-quality, human-annotated data for AI models, crucial for EdTech apps. Their Golden Gate platform connects 6,000+ experts with companies building AI tutors and coaches. As EdTech AI grows, so does demand for Innodata's data. They benefit from the sector's overall growth, not just one product. Risks, competition in data annotation. But their head start and platform are strong advantages. Innodata is the smart infrastructure bet. Ciata Mobile, CITA, at $1.50, just merged with Core Gaming, pivoting into AI-driven educational gaming. Their comic app hit 300,000 users in 24 hours. Huge engagement. The plan used viral games as a funnel for educational content and subscriptions. Gamification boosts student engagement, and Ciata is now a leader in this space. Combining hardware, distribution, and content, they're a vertically integrated EdTech company. Risks: merging and converting gamers to paying learners. But early user growth is promising. For $1.50, you're buying into a new EdTech story. SoundHound AI, Sound, at $4.65, is a leader in conversational AI. Their Houndify platform powers voice assistants for EdTech, enabling real-time intelligent tutoring. Major partnerships and analyst buy ratings add credibility. As AI tutors go mainstream, SoundHound could be the engine behind them. Risks, volatility, and competition from tech giants. But the current price offers an attractive entry. SoundHound is a pure play on the voice AI revolution in education. Huge upside if conversational AI becomes the norm. Resolve AI, RZLV, at $2 is bringing its mobile commerce AI to EdTech. Their platform creates personalized learning marketplaces. Think Amazon for digital education. AI recommends and delivers the perfect content instantly. Processing $50 billion in transactions annually, their tech is proven and scalable. Analysts see 100% upside if they execute in EdTech. Risks: building partnerships and adapting to education. But the foundation is strong. Resolve is a bold bet on the future of learning commerce. Ready to invest? Split your $100 across these 10 stocks, about $10 each. Use a no-fee broker, track catalysts, and set stop losses to manage risk. Start a watch list, paper trade, and monitor news for earnings or EdTech trends. Only invest what you can afford to lose. These are high-risk plays. Research each company's financials and tech pipeline. If you're excited, hit like, share, and subscribe for more wealth-building tips. Comment below. Which AI EdTech stock are you watching? Join our community.